Linear gradient has the most simple gradient annotator. It has a starting point, end point, midpoint, which is denoted by this diamond. If we move to the starting point, here we can notice we have two circles here. The small one is the starting point and the big one, which is active right now and selected, this is the color stop. Color stop is the color which will gradually change. And if we look at the end point, again there are two circles. The big one is color stop. It is our second color stop, or in this case our last color, which is black. After that you will notice there is a small circle. If we hover over the small circle, you will notice the cursor will change for rotation. Now if we simply click and drag, as you can see, now we can rotate the gradient. The important point is the gradient annotator will always pass through the center of your object. As you can see, these dotted lines denote where the gradient annotator will end up after I drop my click. We have rotated our gradient. If we move to the starting point, you will notice that black dot represents the starting point. If I move it backwards, you will notice our first color or the influence of our first color reduces. Similarly, if I move it towards the end point, you can notice now our end point is outside the object, which means our last color is not even inside the box. Let's take it back. There is a similar case with endpoint. If you go to the black circle here and click and drag, now you can notice we can change the length of the gradient.